Hi everyone, I hope you all had a great week. I hope you guys made those sticky notes and passed some happiness and smiles around to your family or whoever you're around. So today we're going to read another book and do another little activity. And this week we're talking about our creativity and how we can get our mind and our thinking to grow. So this book is called The Dot, and it's about this little girl right here who doesn't think she can draw, but her teacher encourages her and gets her to draw one little dot. Then she decides to take it further and really push herself because she believes she can do a better that dot than she drew. So she turns into something big where she thinks she's a good artist. So here we go, let's read the book. The Dot. Art class was over, but Vashti sat glued to her chair. Her paper was empty. Vashti's teacher leaned over the blank paper. Ah, a polar bear and a snowstorm, she said. Very funny, said Vashti. I just can't draw. Her teacher smiled. Just make a mark and see where it takes you. Vashti grabbed a marker and gave the paper a good, strong jab. There. Her teacher picked up the paper and studied it carefully. She pushed the paper towards Vashti and quietly said, Now sign it. Vashti thought for a moment. Well, maybe I can't draw, but I can sign my name. Next week, when Vashti walked into art class, she was surprised to see what was hanging above her teacher's desk. It was the little dot she had drawn, her dot, all framed in swirly gold. I can make a better dot than that. She opened her never-before-used set of watercolors and set to work. Vashti painted and painted. A yellow dot, a green dot, a red dot, a blue dot. The blue mixed with the red, she discovered that she could make a purple dot. Vashti kept experimenting, lots of little dots in many colors. If I can make little dots, I can make big dots too. Vashti splashed her colors with a bigger brush on bigger paper to make bigger dots. Vashti even made a dot by not painting a dot. At the school art show a few weeks later, Vashti's many dots made quite a splash. Vashti noticed the little boy gazing up at her. You're a really great artist. I wish I could draw, he said. I bet you can, said Vashti. Me? No, not me. I can't draw a straight line with a ruler. Vashti smiled. She handed the boy a blank sheet of paper. Show me. The boy's pencil shook as he drew his line. Vashti stared at the boy's squiggle, and then she said, Please sign it. The end. So did we notice what the teacher did here? The teacher encouraged the girl to draw one little dot. But then that girl wanted to make the dot the best she could. So she took that one single plain little dot that she drew at the very beginning and turned it into something big. She got really creative with it and was able to make a whole bunch of different dots. She made the small dots, made bigger dots. She made a dot without drawing a dot. So she took that one small thing and got creative. She stretched her mind, stretched her thinking, and came up with something new. So today I'm going to challenge you guys. I'm going to challenge you to stretch your thinking, stretch that creativity. Let's build those minds together. So I'm going to share with you, I'll show you right now. See this picture here? We might think it's a sad face, but I'm challenging you to think outside of the box. So what I want you guys to do today, or this week, whenever you have a chance, take this drawing and turn it into something else. So you have to complete the drawing, but it's not a sad face. So change the sad face into something else. And there's also this one. I can get it up here. So this one, it may look like an elephant, but you have to complete the picture and turn it into something else. So stretch those thinkings and see what else you can come up with that you can draw from this drawing. I'm going to show you one more. So this one, we might all think it's balloons, but we want to challenge our thinking, think outside that box, and create something different with the picture. So I'm going to send you all three of these. I'm going to challenge you to do one, you could do two, do them all. And I'm sure that you can find more online if you want to keep going with it. So send in the drawings so we can see them all, and I hope you all have a great week. Bye.